Namaste to all. Today let us discuss second part of the parts of speech exercises from intermediate first year English textbook. Let us see the continuation of first part. Here if we see the first example, Meena doubts if she will pass the test. Here the underlined word if. Here if is conjunction. Here as we discussed in the previous video, conjunction means which joins two sentences. Meena doubts, another sentence, she will pass the test. Here the word if which connects or joins two sentences. Here if is conjunction. Here if is subordinative conjunction. Right, second one. There were a lot of its in the insurance policy. Here its means here conditions. There were lot of conditions in the insurance policy. Here its is a noun. Right, let us move on to next one. The bridegroom looked so handsome. How is the bridegroom? So handsome. Here handsome is adjective. Handsome, good, beautiful, pretty, wonderful. These are all adjectives. Next one. Ria whispered to Rasul so that no one else will hear. Here so that. Here so is conjunction. So that which joins two sentences. Ria whispered to Rasul, that is one sentence. So that no one else will hear. So this is a conjunction. Do you smoke? Here the word smoke, it tells us action. So smoke, smokes, smoked, smoked, smoking. Do you smoke? Here this is an action word which shows an action. So it is a verb. Next one. Shia found her cat outside. Here her cat. So here her is adjective. Whose cat? Her cat. Here cat is a noun. Here her which gives extra information to the noun. So here her is adjective. Here the word her, it talks about cat. Whose cat? Here her cat. Here her is adjective. Helen promised to write back soon. Here the word soon is an adverb. Here back soon, to write back soon. So here it is an adverb. Add something to the verb, add something to the adjective, add something to the another adverb. Another one. This lotion can provide protection from the sun. Here from is preposition. Here from, to, up, off, on, to. So these are all preposition. Preposition, the word which comes before a noun, that is preposition, as we discussed in the previous video. Preposition is a word which shows the relationship between two nouns. Next one. I knew it from the very beginning of the movie. Here it is a pronoun. Next one. Pronoun. Here it is a pronoun. Pronoun. Instead of noun, we used it. I, we, you, they, he, she, it. These are all pronouns. Darcy watched Jane as she walked through the crowd. Here as is conjunction which joins two sentences. It is also subordinate conjunction. Let us move on to another slide. Yeah. What clothes did you buy? Here the word buy is an action word which shows an action. So it is a verb. Next one. What a charming lady. What a charming lady. So here charming. How is the lady? Charming. Here it talks about lady. It adds extra information to the lady. Lady means here noun. Here charming is an adjective. Congrats. 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 Here ends with exclamatory mark. Congrats. Finally, you won the match. Here, congrats is an interjection. Here, which express sudden feelings. Next one. Rashmi got an A grade in mathematics. Here, in is a preposition. Preposition is a word. Preposition. Pre means here before. Position means here noun. Here, mathematics is noun. And also here, in is preposition. My father sends money once a week. See here, once is an adverb. So adverb of frequency, once, twice, these are all adverbs. My father sends money once a week. Who is that man? Here man is a noun. Next one. Dorothy has big blue eyes. Here has is auxiliary verb or helping verb. Here have, has, had. Have family, have, has, had. Do family, do, does, did. Next one. The shuttle flew into space. Fly, flew, flown, flying. Fly, flew, flown, flying. So this is a verb. Next one. Unless you work hard, you cannot reach the goal. Here, which joins two sentences. Unless you work hard, you cannot reach the goal. Here, unless is conjunction, subordinate conjunction. Next one. I left my keys under the table for you. Here, under is a preposition. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Share it to your friends and family members.